Reverse Prospect is a tool that allows a listing agent to see saved auto email with criteria that's a match for their listing. The listing agent may then choose to use the buyer agent's contact information provided to reach out to the agent representing that prospective buyer. There are 3 ways to access reverse prospecting as a listing agent. From the bright Workspace, in the Listing Activity section, click My Active Listings. Or, from the Clients menu, go to Carts and Favorite Searches, and in the My Listings section, click My Active Listings. Or, from the Listings menu, click View Listings and Search, and in the My Listings widget, click My Active Listings. However you reach your Active Listings page, select your desired listing and click Reverse Prospect. The following information will display. Agent. The agent whose account has a saved auto email matching your listing. Click the name of the agent to begin a direct email to that buyer's agent that automatically includes information referencing your listing and the matching contact. Reference number. The reference number used by the buyer's agent's account to identify the contact who was emailed your listing. Pre-approved. This will show a green check mark in this column if the mortgage pre-approved box is checked in the contact. Contacted. This is an envelope icon, and it indicates whether or not you have contacted the buyer's agent via Bright's messaging. Count. The total number of listings that were emailed to that contact. The number indicates how many other listings match that client's criteria. Date sent. The date the listing was sent by the buyer's agent. Prospect Interest Indicator. It's a folder icon. This will show an icon if the agent's client added the listing as a favorite with a heart icon or a possibility indicated with a light bulb icon in the client portal. Contact information for the buyer's agent is provided through member email, full name, office name, and direct work phone number columns. For more information, check out support.brightmls.com.